Are you having fun with your NFTs in Koala Wallet? Well, get ready, your favourite app has just become a lot more fun. This video will show you how to use the WalletConnect feature so you can connect your Koala Wallet to websites and have the full Web3 experience without sacrificing any security. On a computer, open the website you want to connect to. In this example, we'll be using arcade.fun. Find and press the button to connect a new wallet. Then choose the WalletConnect option to show the page's QR code. Now open Koala Wallet on your phone. Go to the Apps section, select WalletConnect and press the Scan button. Scan the QR code to start the connection procedure. Double check the website's address and press Connect. Authenticate with your PIN and you are connected. Now just use the website as normal. You can make swaps, buy, sell, auction your NFTs or whatever else the website lets you. Any requests that require a signature will be communicated to Koala Wallet. They will pop up in the app so you can verify the actions before accepting them. If all is okay, press confirm and authenticate with your PIN again. The signed transaction will be sent back to the website, keeping your private keys safe at all times. Welcome to the future, happening right now in the palm of your hands. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have an awesome day.